today is the day. Super excited to be able to come out here and mow. Today is the 27th of March, I think. And what I want to do before I go for my first ever mow with the Greensmaster is just to kind of clean up any kind of debris that might be out on the lawn. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim, and then I'm gonna take my Time Master, put the deck down a little bit more, and then just run across the lawn, vacuum up any kind of loose debris, things like that. And then it's go time. So I'm just getting ready for my first fertilizer application that will probably take place tomorrow. I'll go ahead and film that, so be sure to subscribe so you can follow along to see what my program as far as fertilizers and things like that goes this year. But for now, it's time to mow. Let's get to it. So before I cut the Greensmaster, I just want to check the height of cut and just make sure that I'm actually going to be taking something off here. I would like to cut a little bit lower than what it is right now, just to encourage growth. So we'll see where we're at and go from there. This seems really high. This is set to 1.25 inch. 1.25 height of cut right now, so we are going to bring that down and probably put it at 1 inch and see how it goes. Maybe even lower. We'll see.
Like this spoon? Yeah.
Alright, height of cut is set to a tick under 1 inch, so I'd call it 1 inch. So that's 1/4 inch lower than what I'm used to, or what I was doing with the Sunjoe, because the Sunjoe only went to 1.25 inches. So this is going to be at 1 inch. We'll take it for a spin, see how it goes. Kind of nervous, but what can you do? Let's get to it. All right, first cut is out of the way. I still feel like we have a lot of getting to know you to do here. I did hit the axle against the fence over on the side here once, just because I forgot it was there. The axle, not the fence. I knew the fence was there. One other thing I learned today is to make sure that the parking brake is not engaged before you start mowing. The first attempt I made to mow tonight, I didn't realize that my son was playing around with the mower before I started, and he engaged the parking brake. So I was wondering, why is it going so slow? Why isn't it moving? And then I saw the belt was smoking. I was like, why is the belt smoking? And later came to figure out it was the parking brake. So I know. But the lawn looks really good, and I'm really, really happy with how this turned out. It's still not awake yet, per se. I am gonna put some product down tomorrow and start waking this thing up. So make sure you subscribe, keep an eye out for future videos. This is gonna be a really fun year, and I can't wait. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.